Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can enter one-handed mode on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to select Display, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Scroll down again, tap on one-handed mode and click on the sweater to activate it. Then you need to follow those instructions. So basically, you need to click on Home button 2 times, and as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, click on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!